Hi friends, so today we will learn a very useful and very interesting multiplication trick by which you can just write down your answer like that within 3 seconds without using your pen. So let's see how. So let's learn this trick with easier example. First of all, the number you can see, let's partition or break it into the nearest 10 so that it's easy to multiply. So 54 we can break it as 50 and 4, right? Now 50 times 3, so 50 times 3 is 150, right? And add, now 4 times 3 is 12, so 150 plus 12 is 162. Very easy. So this is the next example. Let's partition or break 73 as 70 plus 3. Now 70 times 6 is 420 plus 3 times 6 is 18. So 420 plus 18, that is 438. I am writing this, but you need to do in your mind. 420 plus 18 is 438. That's it. So this is the next example. Here we can break 23 and 12. Okay, any of them. So 12 we can see easier to break. So let's just break it as 10 and 2, right? So in your mind, 23 times 10 is 230 and 23 times 2 is 46. And 230 plus 46 is 276. Now, can we apply this trick to the 3-digit numbers? Yes. Here, just see 124. In your mind, just break it as 100 plus 20 plus 4. Now, 100 times 5. So, 100 times 5 is 500 plus 20 times 5. 20 times 5 is 100 plus 4 times 5, that is 20. So 500 plus 100, 600 plus 20, that is equal to 620. So this is the question we have started with. So here we can see 99, we can write it as 100, take away 1. Now 28 times 100 is 2800, right? Take away 28 times 1 is 28. Now how to subtract them? 28 we take it as 30. Okay, so when we take it as 30, it becomes 2800, take away 30 is 2770. But we have subtracted 30, we need to subtract 28, so we need to add further 2. So this is 2772. This subtraction trick we have watched in the previous videos. If you haven't seen, please have a look. With little bit of practice, you will do this thing in your mind. So this question is for you to practice. Just write down your answer in the comment box. And if you are looking for any help or one-to-one session, you can drop your message on this email ID. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please like, share and subscribe for more such video. Bye.